Let's see how to fix no sound issue on Samsung. First, clean your speaker thoroughly. If you still have sound problems, follow the next method. First, go to Settings. Go to Sounds and Vibrations. Turn up all the volumes. Now go to the separate apps sound. Make sure it is turned off. Now go to Accessibility. Go to Hearing Enhancement. The Mute All Sound option must be turned off. Now turn Bluetooth on and off. Sometimes your Bluetooth headphones stay connected to your phone. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Now restart your phone. Hopefully your sound problem will be completely resolved.